If you're like me and your royal wedding invitation perhaps got lost somewhere, you need to check on that first of all. But you can just head up north for a true British experience. The English Rose Tea Room in Carefree is hosting a viewing party all day tomorrow. You can snap a pic with the happy couple and Her Majesty. Owner Joe Gemmell says it'll feel like you are in jolly old England for the day.
We'll have a royal pavilion here, which is going to be a huge tent outside the tea room, and a red double-decker bus, so you can climb on the bus and pretend you're in London, and then you can go into the pavilion and watch the wedding.
She has even commissioned special pins that feature half of an American flag, half of the Union Jack for this very special day. If you can't make it up to Carefree, the